Hello, I'm Brad Langerman with Steritor Sanitary Supply Company. We provide the cleaning and restroom items used at your Shop and Save. Joining me is
Melissa Huber, Rostraver Shop and Save Assistant Manager.
in the following segment, we're going to discuss the importance of keeping our register area clean. Rostraver Shop and Save cashiers, thank you for your loyalty and commitment in serving our valued customers throughout the pandemic. As we continue to move forward, our goal remains to keep our customers and staff safe and healthy. You play a major role in this by keeping your register area clean and disinfected. Each register station has a solution wipes bucket and roll pre-saturated with BioClean hospital-grade disinfectant, effective against and destroying all bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19. Always fold wipe, which provides different and sanitary cleaning sides. Pay attention to all high-touch surfaces such as credit card reader, your touch screen, bagging area, and belt. Rotate belt for optimum cleaning. Flip cloth occasionally and always wipe in one direction for best germ removal. You can keep yourself healthy by washing your hands when leaving your register and before starting your shift. Here at Rostraver Shop and Save, we clean for health first because a healthy store means healthy customers, healthy staff, a healthy business,
And healthy cashiers.